Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Network Alchemist. Ever been in the middle of an intense ranked game only to get hit with unplayable lag? Or maybe you're trying to stream a 4K movie and it keeps buffering every few seconds? We've all been there, and what makes it worse is that most VPNs only add more delays. But today, I'm going to show you something different. We're diving into a powerful tool called S Net Pro, and I'll walk you through how I configure my own private server for a seamless, lag-free online experience. This isn't just a basic click and connect VPN guide. This is about taking full control of your connection by creating smart rules. Here's the big idea. Instead of sending all your internet traffic through one slow, crowded tunnel, we'll break it down by purpose. For gaming and video calls, we'll use a Hysteria tunnel because it's built for speed and designed to cut through congestion. For browsing on Google and YouTube, we'll use SSL, which is stable and reliable for secure everyday use. And for everything else, we'll just let it run directly through your raw connection for maximum performance. The first step is getting your configuration. Usually, your server provider will give you a config string or a file. If you have the file, simply import it into S Net Pro. Once you do that, your server will appear and you're ready to start building rules. Now here's where the real magic happens. By default, S Net Pro has an all-network rule that acts as a catch-all. Mine is set to use the Hysteria tweak for raw speed, but I don't want every single connection using that, so I add a new rule. For the domain, I enter google.com. Then I switch the mode to SSL. This way, whenever I use Google Search, Gmail, or Drive, it automatically routes through the stable SSL tunnel. The difference is night and day. The same applies if you want to set rules for YouTube, Netflix, or other apps. S Net Pro gives you the ability to assign the best protocol for each specific need. It's about using the right tool for the right job. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick notes. Leave DNS custom off unless you need a special DNS to unlock something. Always keep the app updated so you're running the latest features and security patches. And remember, this setup requires a server that supports advanced protocols like Hysteria, so it's definitely geared toward power users. This isn't for everyone, but if you're the kind of person who loves tweaking settings and wants the absolute best performance, S Net Pro gives you an incredible level of control over your internet experience. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below and let me know what tools you're using to optimize your connection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.